Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hey, you know, sir, you can't tap God message though. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, now at the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you know miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's second letter to Timothy, chapter 2, from verse 8 to verse 13. Remember who Christ Jesus be. Jesus are the one where God bring back from the dead and we come from the same family where David come from. That are the message when me teach. I true me I teach that message and make me a suffer so. And I cause me teach that message, make them fling me in a prison and treat me like say me a criminal. But then can't tap God message or lock it up like how they lock me up in a prison. And since the message no in a prison, me we go and suffer for the people them where God pick. So that Jesus Christ will save them and so they can live forever with God. No, listen me good, cause when me bout to tell you, I no lie, but a true sitting. If we did dead with him, we are gonna live with him too. If we not give up, we are gonna rule with him too. If we go on like we don't know him will go on like him no know we. If we turn we back pan him still not turn him back pan we. Cause Jesus Christ can't go on like say, him no know who him be. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.